Hey everybody, it's John Thomas and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on the video today. I'm going to be doing a day in the life. There's a lot that I have to get done today and I thought that I would take you guys along with me. So here is a little bit about what we will be doing today. First, I got a drone. I can't believe it. I am scared to death to fly it, but I'm going to go out today and attempt to fly my drone for the first time. I want to get some really cool shots of cities throughout China as I travel through. So today I'm headed out to practice. The second thing I want to do is my gym reopened this week and I get to go to the gym today. And I thought I would take you guys with me to the gym also because that is a little bit of a different process now. Third, as I've mentioned in previous videos, travel restrictions have lifted and one of the places that I am dying to go back to is Beijing. Beijing requires a COVID-19 nucleic test. Nucleic. That is the weirdest word to say, and I am not good at saying it. I hope that I'm pronunciating. What is going on with me? I hope I am pronunciating that word correctly. Nucleic test. So I have to go to the hospital today to get that nucleic test.
Okay, yeah.
And I thought I would take you guys along with me because I don't know if it's that one that goes in and in your nose and down. I don't know if it's a blood test, I don't know what it is, but it takes about 3 days to get your result and then you have a little piece of paper that says you have, that you're negative for that disease and so that you can travel in and out of Beijing quite easily. Especially if you're going to stay the night, the hotels require a negative test result. So I thought that would be really an interesting thing to do today as well. So the day is packed full of things, so let's get going. Alright, so I made it to the park where I am going to attempt to fly my drone for the first time. I'm a little nervous because I've only made one attempt before to fly a drone and it didn't go as well as I thought. But we'll see. I don't know if I can do it here. But I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try to do it here. I'm in a beautiful park. So let me see if I can show you the park through the drone. Alright, that was so fun. I can't believe that I flew a drone and it was actually really easy. DJI makes it very, very easy to control the actual drone itself. I still need to figure out how to operate the camera, but just to be able to practice was really cool. I did get kicked out of the grass. You're not allowed to stand on the grass in China. There goes a big bus, honking. So you're not supposed to stand on the grass. And I was standing on the grass because I was trying to like go get my drone. But no crashes and was able to land it very easily with the buttons. There's a home button and it just tells you that you can land it. I think I got some really pretty shots. I can't wait to go home and check it out. First day of success, but I gotta get back to the apartment because it's time to go to the gym. Trying to get a bike and every single bike has a sign on it. And so I'm trying to figure out what all of these signs are on these bikes that are preventing me from getting it. I feel like I shouldn't take a bike if there's like this sign on it. But no, I've never seen anybody reserving bikes before. So I'm wondering if it's like in Beijing, where it's kind of like the like parents advertising that their kids are available to date. And so let's check it out, because I've never seen that in Tianjin, let alone on bikes. It's so interesting. That was so interesting. I have not seen that before here in Tianjin. All right, I am home. I have my gym towel. I am headed there now. I'll see what I can film inside the gym. See if I can get a couple of exercises. I will not be filming the whole thing, obviously, because I think that would be completely boring to watch somebody working out. So, but thought that it would be interesting just to kind of see that how we do have to wear a mask when we're inside the gym. And although it's only been open for 3 days, it feels great to be back. I have to obviously bring my own towel, and then you have to bring your own water. You can't refill with the water dispensers there. The other rule is you can only be in the gym for 90 minutes, and you have to have an appointment. So you can't just walk in to go to the gym. You actually either have to be with a trainer, or you have to call your representative who booked you into the gym and schedule a time, because they can't exceed a certain capacity. So it's really interesting, but so glad that it's open all at the same time. So let's get going, let's work out. So I'm at the gym just waiting for my trainer. I think we're gonna be working out in this room today, but yeah, I'm excited. As you can see, you can't take a shower in the gym, and you can't also drink any water at the gym. You have to bring your own. So I stopped at the grocery store to bring my own before I came. Alright, I just got back from the gym. I was able to show you just a little bit of inside there, and I had my trainer show just a little bit of me lifting a weight, just so you could see that I'm working out with a mask on, which is really uncomfortable, but it's what we're all doing right now, so it is what it is. But now I have changed back into my clothes, and I am ready to go to the hospital. I don't know how much of the hospital I'm gonna be able to film, so we'll see. If it's getting blood drawn, I'm not gonna film it. If it's the nose one, then I think, like, I wanna remember that forever. Maybe I won't, maybe I'll hate it and be like, why did I do that? So, let's go to the hospital. All right, so I'm here at the hospital. This is the little tent that I get to take my test in. They told me I could wait in here all by myself in this little tent. I'm waiting for my appointment, so, but they're ready to help me. They just needed a couple minutes, so as soon as I know, I'll let you guys know. It's so blue in here. Oh my gosh, that is the test.
Or
Okay.
you can go
A little bit this way. Okay.
Yeah, should be fine.
Is it there?
Are you recording?
Yeah, is that okay?
Okay. No problem. Open your mouth. Say one more time. Okay.
Oh.
Yeah. Thank you. I know it's not.
No. So I decided, with the rest of my afternoon, now that I'm done with my test, I came to Tianjin Water Park. I think that's the Tianjin Tower behind me, but I thought I would try to fly the drone around here as well. I think that would be really fun. Not sure if I can, but I'm gonna try to find a quiet spot to do that. I wanna practice. All right, so I made it inside the water park. It's so beautiful in here. I'm gonna try to set up the drone. All right, let's do it.
No.
So on the app it shows that this water park is a recommended place for the drones, but security, as you saw, just stopped me from doing the drone. So I don't know if that's like the current situation, but I went to a place where there wasn't a lot of people just to make sure that I was safe, and told me no, I can't do it anywhere in here. So let me just show you, I guess, some of this pretty park since I'm here, and then we'll wrap up the vlog. Take my sweater off because it's getting very warm out here, but I thought I would walk up to the top of this little building here, see what kind of view there is from up here. I think I can take that down. I'm by myself. Oh, not much of a view, but this house is really pretty. Kind of fun. I guess apparently you could go in here before, but now it's blocked off. This place is awesome. I can't believe I've lived in Tianjin 2.5 years and I have not been here before. Ah, I wish I could fly the drone here. So this is also an amusement park. So you've got like the bumper cars behind me. You've got like this little roller coaster situation happening over here. And then I'm in front of like a water ride where it doesn't appear that anybody is on it at the moment. How cute are all these little rides? I love this. These look like they've been around a while. The bumper cars are also pretty screechy. So I don't know, it looks fun though. So here's where I end the vlog for the day. Really fun to be able to fly the drone initially this morning at Central Park and then run across all of those cool people. I think it was like old school dating game. And then to go to the gym and show you a little bit what life is like wearing the mask while at the gym. And then to get the nucleic test done. I'm positive it will be negative. But it'll be great to be able to travel to Beijing here in a little bit, or some of the other cities as our travel restrictions continue to get looser and looser. It'll be great to have that piece of paper to know that I am negative for COVID-19. And then attempting to fly the drone again today at this park and then getting the kibosh. No drone flying for you. But overall, a great day. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of this beautiful day, and thank you guys so much for clicking on the video. If you're interested, I did go fishing on the river in this video down below, so click on that video if you're interested in seeing a little bit about what it's like to fish on the river here in Tianjin. I tried to make the video as fun as possible, so it's not just boring watching me fish the whole time. So click on that, and I will see you guys in the next video. Alright, bye.